In this video, we're going to learn how to add automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. Start by going to the top menu bar and clicking on Window. From here, select Text to open the text panel. In the transcript section, you will see the name of your footage and a blue transcribe button. Click on it, and Premiere Pro will begin transcribing your video automatically. This process may take some time depending on the length of your video. Once the transcription is complete, click on the CC button to create the captions. A new window will pop up. Here you can choose from different caption presets. You can also click on the blue arrow to expand more settings. In these options, you can change the caption format, apply a specific style, and set the maximum number of characters per line. You can also adjust the minimum duration for each caption. If you want 2 lines of text instead of 1, select the double line option. When everything is set up the way you want, click Create Captions. Premiere Pro will now generate your subtitles based on the transcript. To edit your captions, select all of them in the timeline. Then go to the Properties panel on the right side. From here, you can adjust the font, size, color, and other styling options for all the captions at once. And that's how you add automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.